to believe, but that one is almost 30 years old already. The title of the recording, Polka Lovin' Gal, Don Wattila and the show band doing such a good job. They've had such great music out over the years, Don Wattila has, and Christine Hibbs singing on at least 2 or 3 of them. And there you go, When You're Smiling. Hope you're smiling here on this Saturday afternoon. I know I am, because I'm back on the radio. Happy to hopefully be bringing some great entertainment and some great music to you. The first segment of this hour is going to be sponsored by Knicky's Public House. Have you stopped there yet? Make it this week. Stop on up and check out Knicky's. We'll tell you about them in detail in just a few minutes here, okay? We also have a Polka Parade pal. We're going to say hi to Gino Riccio, also his wife Gloria. They are just across the border. They are into Illinois, Gurnee, Illinois. It's how it's pronounced. They're Jerry Zagar. It's hard for these out-of-state guys to know some of our local cities here, but yeah, it's Gurnee, Illinois, and Gino and Gloria Riccio, our Polka Parade pals. A variety of styles coming your way. We'll stick to the Slovenian styles for at least 1 or 2 more. Let's get you a full set of music.
Polka Parade gives you the best of all styles, right here on the Slovenian Mix with Don Hunjady.
As we continue along, some Kenny Bass style, just like that first one was, but it's a different band. More Kenny Bass style music. It's called the Checkersville Polka. Here's Frank Stanger in the game.
Like the bear.
For Bill and Kevin, and made them blush and reach, and she could. By the time she reached her teens, she made rough pencil green with jealousy, just like we knew she would. Then the flower started, and she got woman-hearted. Jeremy Seelig kissed her in his car. Aylin, Ron, and Wally all begged her to go steady. She told them all she'd go, but not too far. He danced every dance, and what a beach it meant, and was envied by every girl in town. She had danced and danced of letters, by rings and high school sweaters, and the longest line of broken hearts around. To a boy named Sanjay, a Polish kid from up New England coast. But by 21, she had all her fun and had yet the one thing that mattered most. Everybody had a heart of sweet Charlotte Ann. She said certain someone in the past of many a man. They kissed her lips and held her hand and maybe touched her knee. But the sweetest part of Charlotte Ann was always saved for me. Just the sweetest part was Charlotte's heart. She saved it all for me.
Out of the area here, that's Sweet Charlotte Ann, some music recorded about 5-6 years ago from the Polish Connection from around central Wisconsin. A little bit closer to the Milwaukee area. Before that, John Deep and the Twin Lakes Trio. No, not Twin Lakes, Wisconsin, not Twin Lakes, Minnesota. They actually live in the Slinger area. Don't ask me how it all fits together, it just does. That's the Twin Lakes Trio with John Deep and Bobby's Polka, and we went back in time to the late Don Kotnick and his orchestra. From the Polka Life recording, we had Sandy's Polka in Slovenian style. And that's what we'll go back to right after we go back to this.
Get the most out of this summer by planning a visit to America's Beer Garden, the Estabrook Beer Garden, located in Milwaukee's Estabrook Park. The Estabrook Beer Garden is open daily from noon until 9, weather permitting, and is often where you will find music from some of Wisconsin's best folk polka performers. Plus, enjoy some of Germany's finest brews, including Hopfrau, along with local craft beer, cider, hard seltzer, draft root beer, and Pepsi products. Of course, brats, hot dogs, and those famous giant baked pretzels are also part of the Estabrook Beer Garden experience. Estabrook Park amenities also include trails, playgrounds, a dog park, and the Riverwalk. Great music, great beer, great food, and great fun. It's all at the Estabrook Beer Garden. Open daily from noon until 9. It's the Estabrook Beer Garden.
Yeah, they're starting to wind things down out there. Oktoberfest season winding down. I mean, Oktoberfest truly is supposed to just be like a one-week thing in Europe, and we've turned it into a 2-month extravaganza here in the States, which is fine. Keeps a lot of musicians busy. They have their Oktoberfest out there at Estabrook, and weather permitting, they'll be open for a couple weeks yet. Stop on out and pay them a visit. So please do that. Hey, let's go back to Sylvanian style. Here's Fred DeWitt and the band. One of his latest recordings here on Polka Parade. Good afternoon, Don and Jenny with you for another 20 minutes or so. And the band Omar's Polka right here on Polka Parade. For the last 15 minutes is brought to you by the Estabrook Beer Garden. Weather permitting, they will be open for a couple more weeks. Stop down, pay them a visit, or check them out online at EstabrookBeerGarden.com, or they have a Facebook page as well. You can probably find out if they'll be open that way, okay? Discount Liquor will close out the show then with their sponsorship, and they are at 51st in Oklahoma and Milwaukee, and also Barstow in Maine in Waukesha.
You're getting the best mix of polkas and waltzes during the Slovenian Mix on Polka Parade.
Alright, let's go around the horn one more time here. We'll stay in Milwaukee with the Eddie Hot Band. Here's the Two Canaries Polka.
I've been